had to get these dishes out the way before I started on that nasty, filthy fridge. So, yes, cleaning motherfucking dishes. Are you guys cleaning with me? Let me know in the comments if you're cleaning with me. Don't forget them stoves and counters. Don't forget them. Hold on, wait a minute. I'm cleaning, right? But I'm also reading. I'm reading Diamond Land Zoo Boys series, book 3. I'm 92% in. And I just found out why Chevy's being so weird. Oh my gosh. Alright, back to cleaning. Got them dishes done, clean that counter. Now grab that trash bag so we can get all this trash and old expired things out of the fridge. Do not judge me, and if you do, judge your mama, hoe. Because the amount of yuckiness I found, old blueberries, onions, expired food. February, 2025. Oh, wait, nah. The Maybes came to help me every time. Love them. Back to this nasty ass expired ass food. Throw it away. Throw it away. If you're watching this, throw it away. Yuck. That little spray concoction, awesome. Finished my book. Finished wiping down that nasty old fridge. And ta-da. All clean, sparkling. It smells so fresh and clean in there. I hope you guys clean with me, and I hope you guys have a great day, week, and month. Thank you for watching. Leave a yellow heart in the comments. Bye, y'all. Thanks for cleaning my